Hi, my name's John, and this is my YouTube channel, Highbanks.pilgrim. I chose Pilgrim because I like walking the old pilgrimage routes in Europe, especially the ones across France. I chose Highbanks because that's the name of my own garden, located here near Ottawa in Eastern Ontario. Now, I like all sorts of gardens, and I'm running a series of videos on ones that have caught my eye. Here comes one of my garden videos, and I hope you'll enjoy it. The Chateau Chenonceau in the Loire Valley of France has a lot of gardens. I was doing a walk from Paris to Bordeaux in the spring of 2023 when I passed by. It's got a big maze. This was the garden of a famous mistress of a Renaissance king of France. After the king died, the Queen of France got rid of the mistress and laid out this garden. If you take the tour inside, you'll find that the flowers continue inside the chateau. But the garden that impressed me the most was the one dedicated to Russell Page. You can easily miss it because it's tucked away from the chateau, hidden behind a gorgeous garden wall. It was designed by Nicolas Tomlan, who adapted plans left by Russell Page in the 1950s for the owners of Chenonceau. Page was a renowned English landscape designer of the mid-20th century. There's something about this garden, its simplicity, the three big trees, the reflecting pool under the willow, the slight change of level beyond, the playful sculptures on the lawn, and the tall garden walls that enclose this tranquil, wonderful space. Before leaving the chateau, I checked out the famous gallery over the river, and here it is. A lot of French history played out in this room.